and today I discuss about complex number. So let's start complex number. Today I discuss some problems related with this. Let's take a problem. We have to simplify omega to the power 3a plus omega 3a plus 1 plus omega 3n plus 2. So what is omega? If we solve this equation, x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This will give us the cubic roots of 1. Cubic roots of 1. So what are the roots of 1? This is find out that these roots are 1 is itself and solve this, then this is easy to find out. How we can find out? S cube minus 1, this is 1 cube is equal to 0. So here it will be x minus 1, a cube minus b cube formula, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either we have this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So this gives us x is equal to 1. This is the one root of to solve this equation which I have written. The other source gives we will find out from this part x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Its root must be in this form minus b is minus 1 plus minus root over b square 1 minus 4 A1 C1 by 2 into 1. This will give us minus 1 plus minus root over minus 3 by 2. So minus root over minus 1 come here. So we will find out iota here. This will be the complex root. Minus 1 plus minus iota root 3 by 2. So other two roots are complex. So the first one root is here and other roots are minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2, and the other root, third root, minus 1 minus iota root 3 by 2. So 1 is thought this is omega, then it can be proved that the 1 is thought this is a omega, one complex root, then its conjugate is found out this will be omega square. And it is also found out that from the roots which can be written 1 omega omega square. What is the relation between these roots? That the sum of the roots 1 plus omega square must be equal to 0. And other relation that the multiplication of the roots, which will be omega cube, is equal to 1. So this two relation we will use to simplify this. We will take omega 3 omega to the power 3n in common. We will get 1 plus omega plus omega square. So very easy now to prove this. This is equal to 0. So omega to the power 3n multiply 0 equal to 0. Very simple proof. Now I will prove here a relation. We will verify the relation that which is based on argument. Yesterday I have verified. Today again I verified a formula with argument. The argument of uh, quotient of two complex numbers z1 by z2 is equal to argument of z1 minus argument of z2. So we have to verify this here. This is true or not. It is proved by geometric means, geometrical properties. But we will verify taking z1 and z2 two complex numbers and try to solve it. So let's start. Here z1 is given dx, z1 is given 1 plus iota root 3 and z2 is given root 3 minus iota. So we have to find out z1 upon z2. This will be z1 upon z2 will be 1 plus iota root 3 and root 3 minus iota. So here It is not in this form z equal to x plus iy. We have to iota y. So we have to first express in this form. So we will take the conjugate of this denominator. This will be root 3 plus iota, conjugate of the denominator. So we have to multiply with the numerator also. Then this will be root 3 plus iota. So what will be the value here? The numerator, this will be root 3 whole square minus iota whole square. And in the numerator, this will be root 3 plus 3 iota plus iota plus iota square root 3. So what will be now? This will be here root 3 remains, and here we will add this will be 4 iota. Here it will be iota square is equal to minus 1. This will be minus root 3. And in the denominator, this will be 3 iota square minus 1. This will be plus 1. So this will vanish. Same and opposite side. We will get 4 iota by 4. So this will become just simply iota. We can write 0 plus iota 1. In this form, this complex number is expressed. Now what we will have to do to find out the argument of this quotient z1 up to z2 will be, this is in the first quadrant, both are positive. So we will take just tan inverse y by x. This is undefined value where the denominator is 0. So it must be the where 10 is undefined at pi by 2. So pi by 2 will be the value of this argument of this complex number. Now separately we will find out the argument of z1 and z2. The argument of z1, you can look that it is in the first quadrant. So here it will be just tan inverse y root 3 by minus by x. So root 10 inverse root 3, 10 pi by 3 gives root 3 value. So pi by 3. And now argument of z2, we have to look this where this point exists. This is positive negative. So positive negative, this belongs to the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, then it will be minus of tan inverse mod of y is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 value comes from 10 pi by 6. This will be minus pi by 6. Now if we will add up this, then what will be the value? We will get argument of z1 plus argument of z2 is equal to pi by 3. This is minus. Minus. This will be minus minus plus pi by 6. So 60 degree and 30 degree must be 90 degree pi by 2. You can look this, both are equal. This is both are equal. So we have tested and verified that this is true. This relation is true. Now let's another example. Now a very important one, we are very important. Find out the square root of complex numbers. Find out square roots of complex numbers. So how we can find out this? Take an example. And there is an example given 1 plus iota and 1 minus iota. We have to find out the square root of it. Means what is the value of this? What is the value of this? So we will first express this in this form z equal to x plus iota 1. So what will be that? So first express take z is equal to 1 plus iota and 1 minus iota. So we will multiply the conjugate of the denominator. This will be 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota multiply 1 plus iota conjugate of this denominator, and here 1 plus iota whole square. So what will be its value? This will be 1 plus 2 iota plus iota square. And here it will be 1 square minus iota square. So in the numerator it will be 1 plus 2 iota minus 1. And this will be 1 iota square minus 1. So this will be plus 1. So we will get 2 iota by 2. Means simply iota. So we have to find out the square root of iota. So how we can find out the square root of iota? We will what we will do, iota can be written down in this way. Iota is equal to 1 by 2 iota. This will be equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, it can be written 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota. So it can further it can be written 1 by 2. This is 1 square plus minus 1 is equal to iota square plus 2 iota. So now this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus iota whole square. So what will be the root over iota? Root over iota or root over z, which we have to find out, is equal to, just take a root over, then we will get positive negative sign and 1 by root 2 and 1 plus iota. This is the way, simple way to find out the square root. Or another method is that we will take iota. another method for uh, hard complex numbers. You cannot find out simply the square root. Then you use this method. Another method. It must bring the result. What will take? We'll take that iota is equal to x over x plus iota root y. Then what will be root over iota is equal to iota is equal to this one. Then what will be value of iota if we square both sides squaring what will be iota is equal to x root x plus iota root y whole square. What will be the value here? This will be x plus 2I iota root over x root over y plus iota square y. So this will be x minus y plus iota into 2 root over x. Now the real part and the imaginary part both are equal. So here we will equating real parts and imaginary parts. Equating the real and imaginary parts we have that x minus y is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to 0 and 2 root over xy is equal to 1. Now we will try to find out what will be the value of x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square by using these results. So this will be equal to x minus y whole square plus 4x4. So this is equal to 0. This is 0. So 4xy. We have 4xy. So if we go here, the square on both sides, we will get 4xy is equal to 1. So we will get here, this is equal to 1. So what will be the value of x plus y? X plus y is equal to plus minus 1. Then if we join these two, then we will get 2x. 2x is equal to plus minus 1, 0, plus minus 1. So this will give us x. X will be plus minus 1 by 2. And if we separate, then we will get from this to this, we will get 2y also equal to plus minus 1. So here also y is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. So what we take in the root of root I is taken, root over iota is taken, equal to root over x plus iota root y. If we put these values here, then we will get plus minus 1 by root 2 plus minus again iota 1 by root 2. This is the same as we have found out the earlier assumption, the earlier method. This is equal to 1 plus same result. So both the method you can use. This result and this result are both equal. So both results you can use.